Let's keep it simple with Professor English.
Hello, everyone. I am Ben, and I am with Lily here. Today's topic is super exciting. You don't know these 12 grammar rules, you are not advanced yet. We're going to learn tricky English rules in a fun way.
Haha, yes, Ben. Grammar can be scary if you just read a book, but if we use jokes, examples, and stories, it becomes much easier.
Exactly. I want to sound smart without sounding boring. Let's start with who versus whom. I always get stuck on this one.
Okay, think of who as the person doing something, the hero of the sentence. Whom is the one receiving something, the person who gets hit by the action.
A grammar superhero? I like that idea. Can you give an example?
Sure, who is coming to the party? The hero is coming, but to whom should I give this book? The book lands on someone, the receiver.
Oh, so who called you is wrong, right?
Exactly. You say, who called you? The hero did the action.
I think I can remember it now.
Next is fewer versus less. This one trips up a lot of people.
I always say less cars and feel like it's okay.
Nope. Fewer equals things you can count. Less equals things you cannot count.
Examples?
Sure, there are fewer apples in the basket. Apples can be counted. There is less sugar in the bowl. Sugar cannot be counted.
Ah, that's easy. My brain just remembered it with apples and sugar.
Haha, good trick. Then we have data. People argue a lot about this.
Yeah, is it singular or plural?
Technically, data is plural, so the data are interesting, but most people say is, and it's okay in normal English.
English is like a rebellious teenager. It doesn't follow rules sometimes.
Haha, yes, it's a little wild.
What about which versus that? That one confuses me too.
Easy. That equals essential information, which equals extra information.
Example, please.
Sure, books that have pictures are easier for children to read. Essential. My new book, which has pictures, is very fun. Extra information.
Ah, I see. That makes sense.
Then comes the split infinitive, like to boldly go. People used to say it's wrong, but now it's fine if it sounds natural.
I always thought I was breaking the law saying that.
Nope, English changes. Even old rules get updated sometimes.
May versus might is next. I always feel like I'm gambling with these words.
Haha, think of it like this. May equals good chance, fancy version. Might equals small chance, casual.
Example?
Sure, I may eat cake. Good chance. I might eat cake. Small chance.
Cake makes everything better.
Next is who versus that for people and things.
I sometimes say, the man that called me. Is that wrong?
Yes, for people, always use who. The man who called me is waiting. For things, use that. The book that I read was amazing.
Got it. People equals who, things equals that. Easy.
Ending sentences with prepositions is another rule. Some teachers say it's wrong, but in normal English it's fine. Like, what are you talking about?
About what are you talking sounds like a robot.
Exactly. Sounds stiff and awkward. Just use the normal one.
Then there's affect versus effect, my favorite nightmare.
Easy trick. Affect equals verb, effect equals noun.
Example?
Sure, the scary movie affected my sleep. The effect of the scary movie on my sleep, zombie level.
Zombie level sleep. I'll never forget that.
Next is tricky adverbs. Some end with ly, like quickly, some don't, like fast. He runs fast, not he runs fastly.
Fastly sounds like magic.
English loves magical words.
Subjunctive mood is next. That sounds fancy.
Yes, it's for wishes or things that are not real. I wish I were taller, not I wish I was taller. Pretend you're a wizard wishing for height.
I want that magic wand.
And the last one, double negatives. Two negatives equal confusion. I don't have any money is correct. I don't have no money equals chaos.
Chaos explosion. Got it.
So that's all 12 rules. Some are tricky, some are funny, all useful.
I feel like a grammar superhero now.
Step by step, rule by rule, will defeat the evil forces of wrong English.
And the best part is, these rules make you sound smart without sounding boring.
Exactly. Imagine saying, "To whom should I give this chocolate?" instead of, "Who do I give this chocolate to?" Fancy and polite.
Chocolate diplomacy.
Grammar is fun if you use jokes, examples, and a little imagination.
Agreed. Next step, flashcards and silly sentences with all 12 rules.
Deal. And maybe a short story with zombies, superheroes, magical chocolate, and a flying cat, all using the 12 rules.
Yes, grammar adventure story. I love it.
English isn't scary if you make it fun.
Totally. I feel ready to use these rules anywhere now.
Me too. Step by step, rule by rule, we'll become grammar masters and have fun doing it.
Exactly. Grammar plus humor is perfect combo.
Can't wait for the next lesson.
You know what would be fun? We could make a little quiz using these rules and see who remembers the most.
Oh, yes, like a grammar challenge. Loser has to eat a chocolate with weird toppings.
Deal. I hope I win, but I think you'll cheat with your wizard wand.
I promise I'll play fair. Maybe. But really, if we practice like this, we'll remember all the rules.
True. Learning grammar can be fun if you make silly examples and stories.
Exactly. And now anyone listening can start using these rules without being scared.
Step by step, rule by rule, fun by fun. That's the secret.
Let's keep practicing, and soon we'll become grammar masters and have fun doing it.
Yes, grammar adventure continues with chocolate, zombies, and flying cats.
English is never boring with imagination.
Agreed. Today was amazing. I feel like I can teach these rules to anyone now.
Me too. And next time, we'll make a story that uses all 12 rules in one big adventure.
Perfect. Grammar and fun combined, my favorite combo.
Absolutely. English can be tricky, but it's really fun when you understand it.
Can't wait for the next lesson.
Yes, me too. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like for more. Goodbye, everyone.